How to insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Now to insert a SIM card, first we're going to use the SIM ejector tool. So we're going to use the pin here, and at the bottom here there is a SIM tray. So you put the pin in here and push it out like so. So push it in and the SIM tray wheel pops out. So you just need to pull it out. Then with a nano SIM card, you have the metal gold contact facing upward, and then we insert the SIM tray into the phone, push it all the way in. Once it's gone in, you can then check on your device at the top here to see if you have signal. So here it shows my SIM card. So here shows the SIM card. I can turn on the SIM card, or I can switch it off. And that's it. To remove the SIM card, just simply insert the pin, then pull it out, and that's it. And after that, you can put the SIM tray back in. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.